Alright guys, so we're going to do a diagnostic video on this pressure washer. Customer brought it in, said it ran fine, and then it stopped. They think it needs a spark plug. We're going to go through it and try it. First thing to do, make sure it's on. Fuel is off. Maybe that's the issue. Turn the fuel on. Give it a second to fuel up. Check the gas. Check the oil. Shiny, brand new oil. So we're going to go ahead, choke it, give it a pull. Boom. That doesn't feel right at all. We're going to go ahead and pull the spark plug out of this. Do a compression test. I have a feeling it needs more than a spark plug. Go ahead and pull this spark plug out. Brand new spark plug. It's rusty on the outside, but it's brand new. Thinks it needs a new spark plug, it says. Alright, let me rearrange the camera for you guys. Screw in a compression gauge so we can see what our pressure is. I think it's like a minimum of 60 pounds it'll start and run. 80 pounds it'll run right. 120 pounds is perfect, you know. Well, it ranges 120, 140, something like that. I wonder if I can get this to where you guys can see it. Let me get this gauge down where you can see it. Alright, let me pull it over. Zero. Zero. Didn't even try. Didn't even try. Alright. This guy needs more than a spark plug. This thing is done. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'm more than happy to help you. Have you. Bye.